I hear some little birdies in here, and I don't want the mama bird to come and get me. I'm trying to be really careful as I look in here to see if I see any little birdies. I heard them crying out for mommy. Mm, uh-oh, I see a bird flying above me. So let me back up a little bit. But yeah, I came out to check the mail and I heard all of this uh, bird chirping from baby birds. I know they're in there. They got quiet when I walked up on them. Wow, how cool that would be if I could just film them some kind of way. Have a great day. Oh, maybe mama bird's up there. I hear her. Oh, look how pretty that bird is. Let me see if I can get it. Where did it go? You hear it? I'll try again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.